What's going on, everyone? Got a Porsche Taycan key fob here today. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. It's very simple. I think they made this car from 2020 to 24. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is remove the hard key that you have in it. Okay, you see this little indentation right here? Just go ahead and pull it right out like that. Now we can use this key to help us open this key fob up, or we can use a small flathead screwdriver like I have here. But your next step is going to be remove these side pieces, these black side pieces here. And they just pop off from this part right here. Sometimes this can be kind of hard to pop. All right, you might need to use the key or a flathead screwdriver and pry in here, pop it up like that. It can be kind of sticky sometimes, especially if you haven't opened them up in a while. Over here, grab this corner, pull down, and the cover will come off. You can see this little, how it locks on right here. This locks in here. Now this is where you need the little screwdriver or the key. We're going to take this cover off right here, take it, turn it counterclockwise. All right, and this unlocks this door. Take it off, and you can take the battery out and replace it with your new one. Your new battery size is going to be CR2032, positive sign facing out towards us. Just drop your new one in. I have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get a new battery, the correct size, everything, very affordable. Check that out. You know how Amazon is. Stick the cover back on here. You can try to use your fingers, go clockwise with it like I did there, or you can use your key. You want this lined up here so the hard key can go back in. You can put it in right now if you want. Then we get our side pieces and put it together like this. Snap. And snap. All right, so that's it. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. And if you want to see more Porsche content, hit the subscribe button.